Hello, welcome to this introduction to SQL for beginners. In this video, we are diving into the foundational element of SQL, the language that powers data management in databases. By the end of this video today, you will have a solid understanding of SQL basics and key concepts like data definition language DDL and data manipulation language DML. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Now, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a programming language specifically designed for managing and manipulating databases. Whether you are analyzing data or creating data structures, SQL is an essential skill in data analytics and database management. Why do you need SQL among other skills? SQL is a universal language of databases used by tech giants and small businesses alike. SQL enables you to analyze data and draw valuable insights. Plus, it's highly sought after skill across industries. How does it works? How does this SQL works? SQL actually retrieves data, updates and manage data. With this SQL, you can communicate directly with your database. Think of it as a conversation. SQL allows you to ask questions and get answers in the form of data. You can retrieve data, make updates, and manage everything in a structured way. SQL commands are generally categorized into four types. The commands are actually categorized into four types. We have DDL, which stands for Data Definition Language. We have the DML, which stands for Data Manipulation Language. We have the DCL, Data Control Language, and then TCL. In this video, we will focus on DDL and DML, the two fundamental categories for beginners. We have the DDL. With this DDL, you can actually define a new table or database. Data definition language or DDL includes commands that define and modify the structure of a database. Some important DDL commands are create, which creates new tables, alter, which adjusts the structures of your table, drop to delete tables, and truncate to clear record without deleting the table. Before us is an example of a DDL. Here we have a table being created for employees. This is a table for an employee using the DDL, which has ID, name, and position. Next, we have the DML, Data Manipulation Language. With the Data Manipulation Language or DML, it includes commands for interacting with data itself. You can use select to retrieve data, insert to add new records, update to modify existing records, and delete to remove data from the table. We have an example. This is an insert from DML, Data Manipulation Language of SQL. With this insert into employees, we have a new employee record into the employee table with an ID, name, and position. The ID is 1, the name of the employee is John Doe, and then the position is manager. This is what a basic SQL syntax and structure looks like. SQL commands generally follow a simple structure. For instance, a select statement lets you specify which commands to retrieve, the table to search in, and any condition to apply. This structure makes it easy to learn and flexible enough to handle complex queries. So, looking at what we have looked at so far, SQL helps manage and analyze data in databases. It's a powerful tool for data management and analysis. We covered DDL commands that define database structures and DML, which is a data manipulation language command for data manipulation. In this video, we have laid the groundwork for SQL. Now you are ready to get hands-on with these commands and practice, in which you practice creating and managing databases. In the next videos, we will dive into each command and explore real-world scenarios. So hit the button, and if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed this introduction to SQL and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner friendly SQL tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.